Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be removing, checking, and installing the air filter on a snapper. Snapper like it's hot. So anyway, snapper lawnmower, self-propelled, as in you squeeze this trigger up here and it moves itself, which you don't have to push it, it just moves itself. It has a rear drive or something like that. But anyway, air filter right there. I'm going to remove it just like so. Watch, just watch. Right here, pull that up and out. There's your air filter. Pull it out, clean it. You know, banging off stuff, clean it, get it all out. And then as you can see, there's two holes. And there's two holes of things that go back over. Push it back on like so. And there's usually a clip at the bottom. Well, I got it backwards. So put it on just like so. And that'll clip. But you usually want to get the bottom on. See these two tabs right here? These two tabs go in these holes down here. Put this in the hole, push that up, and then you push. It should snap. It snapped. So, that's how you remove and install the air filter on a snapper. Snapper, snapper, self-propelled lawnmower. So, without further ado, this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Let's get to it. Let's do it. And that's it. Have a great day. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be removing the grass catcher holder. I may have had a video on this, but this is going to be another one. So we're going to remove it and clean it out and empty it and then install it. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. First, right here, pull back like that, and there you go. Empty it wherever, and then put it back on just like so. I have another video of where it actually latches up. And it's right here. Right there is where that latches right back up. See that? Just like that. See? See that? It's down. So, that's how you remove and install the grass catcher on a snapper self-propelled premium lawnmower. Have a great day.